Python has a module named datetime to work with dates and times. Let's create a few simple programs related to date and time. Here we have imported datetime module using import datetime statement. One of the classes defined in the datetime module is datetime class. We then used now function or method to create a datetime object containing the current local date and time. So this is your datetime class, this is datetime module, and this is now method, and this is our object. When we run the program, we get the date and time. We can use this same object using today function. When you run the program, the output will be something like this. And in this program, we have used today method defined in the date class to get a date object containing current local date and time. If you want to know about all the attributes of a module, you can always make use of dir function, and for that you can simply write a statement like this. You can see all the attributes presented here. Alright, there are different classes different classes provided in datetime module. For example, date class, time class, date time, time delta, etc. And let's say we want to get current date. You can import datetime module, and if you don't want to use the long statement in the coming code, you can always write from datetime. You are importing what? You are importing a class date, and then you can have some ABC object here, and you don't have to write datetime.date. You can just write date dot from timestamp, and you can write name of some timestamp here. Now you can print the value of this timestamp, and this will actually give you some date. And this is actually how you can create date objects from a timestamp. This is not part of Windows. It is related to Unix, where timestamp is just the number of seconds between a particular date and another date. And you can convert a timestamp to date using this from timestamp method. Okay, we'll take a very simple example. Let's say we want to print today's year, month and day. So I'll make use of this same statement from datetime import date, and let's say I want to know date. So I'll just write this simple statement and then I'll print today. Now it already has so many attributes like year, month, and day. So for that, I can use object and the attribute. Again, object and attribute. All right. Now we also have different time objects to represent time, and for that you can import time